Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friend, my name is Arvin. Today I will tell you about a tool which an engineering student must know. There is multimeter. This is multimeter. Multimeter or AVO is an instrument electro used to measure volt, ampere, and resistance. Because we are an electrical student, we must know about multimeter, a component of multimeter, and how to use multimeter. We must know about multimeter, component of multimeter, and how to use multimeter. Okay, before I describe about how to use multimeter, we must know about component of multimeter first. Multimeter have three components that we must know. There is display, selector, and probe. This is the display. This is a selector, and this is a probe. This have two probe, red probe and black probe. Okay, display is a part of multimeter that will show result of our measured object. This will show our result of measured object. Selector is a part to setting what do we want to measure. There are four conditions. First, ohm selector to measure resistance. DC voltage selector to measure DC voltage, and AC voltage selector to measure AC voltage. And the last, ampere selector to measure electric current. Okay. After we know about a part of multimeter, we must know how to use multimeter too. Today, I just show you how to measure AC voltage with multimeter digital. Okay, first, change selector on AC voltage selector. This is AC voltage selector. If you can see this is symbol of AC voltage selector. V for voltage, and the symbol for AC, and this for DC. This is for ampere, and this is for ohm. But today we just use this selector. Okay, next, choose scale according to the estimate voltage. I will choose this scale. This scale. 1100. Oh, sorry. This is 17 scale. Scale 7. Okay. Next, take a probe on the circuit what we want to measure. Okay. This is I have an circuit, and the next we must to measure this. We will put the probe here and here. The next, we put the probe on the circuit what we want to measure. Oh, sorry. This and this. Okay. And read measurement result on display. The display will show the result, and the display show 225. So in the circuit have 225 volt AC. Okay. The conclusion is multimeter can measure ampere, volt, and resistance on electrical circuit. And as an electro engineering student, we must understand about multimeter. Okay. This is from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.